She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing the very exciting. But I first want to introduce you guys to another new addition to my sewing family, Sergio. Sergio is a serger. Play on the name. I thought it was so cute. So yes, that's little Sergio. I am going to be working with them and see how he'll do, and then maybe I'll start making like tutorials and stuff with them. I need to come up with a name for her though. I want like to be like a guy and girl theme, Thought about naming her Amber, like after Amber Shaw, but Amber is very, out there, sparkly. She's more plain Jane. That's what we'll call her. Plain Jane and the Sergio. Anywho, so today we are doing something very excited. Like I said, we are going to be messing around with a toy sewing machine. So technically, I guess this is considered a sewing machine. I did a little bit of research before, and it says something about a felting machine, and pretty much it just meshes felt together and it creates this kind of like stitch type, guess you can say, it pieces felt together in a nutshell. So we are going to try her out with this free little toy sewing machine. I did want to do a review on one, and I was going to get another one. So maybe later on I'll get that one and see, is it really like an actual sewing machine, or is it more like a felting machine? But before we can get on to the video, please don't forget to subscribe to be part of the family. I create content that's sewing, DIY, or fashion, so if you're into that kind of thing, then yeah, this is the channel for you. Alright, let's get on into this video. I think that the first plan of attack should be for us to search up a tutorial on how to use this little contraption. She did not give me a manual. It could have been a gift from somebody else or whatever the case may have been, to where the manual just got lost up in the mix somewhere. Which is fine because they do have a few tutorials on YouTube, so we're going there now and seeing what it's gonna tell us.
Getting started.
This reminds me of like a Polly Pocket. If you know, you know.
Here's what you get with your sewing studio. 1. So Cool sewing machine.
Okay, we have that. We don't have that. 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 Well, she gave me some polyfill, but we don't have any of that. But size sewing machine. I am grown.
And on the back of the machine, you'll find the on-off switch.
Okay.
Flip it to the line symbol to turn it on, and the O symbol to turn it off. The big button on the front of the machine is the stop and start button. Simply press this to start stitching, and press it again to stop.
Okay.
Needle guard. It lights up when the machine is on, and the light flickers when there is something wrong to choose batteries. The seam line tells you where you're sewing. Line it up with your stitch for a tidy stitch.
See, that's the part I don't understand. It's the part I don't understand. How does it stitch if it doesn't have any thread to stitch it together? Anyways.
Caught in a jam. Simply press it inward and then twist. The knob also acts as an emergency stop if you press it inward while the machine
Which is like a typical sewing machine.
The edge guides are grooves on the platform and can be used to keep an even distance between the edge of the fabric and
just like a sewing machine.
When making a
Once
project,
again.
you'll see symbols that help you figure out how to sew.
Oh, that's cute. It comes with a little sewing template.
Unlike a regular sewing machine, the fabric does not feed itself through the needles. You
Oh.
have to push and pull the fabric at the speed you choose.
So we gotta, that's actually pretty neat, because if this was a kid using this sewing machine contraption, then it's actually safer for them. They can work at a pace, and then once they learn how to kind of get it down, then they're able to, you know, just go and then eventually work on one of these bad boys, my little plain Jane.
The slower you sew, the stronger your seam will be.
Okay, that's nice to know.
You can go back over your stitch to make it stronger.
Oh.
Watch our other videos to learn new techniques and step-by-step instructions for other Sew Cool projects.
She looks so corny. Alrighty, so we're at my sewing table, and pretty much just to explain or re-explain what everything is. So this is pretty much a little turn dial like on a sewing machine. It does this to where the needle moves up and down, and that happens whenever you're trying to thread your needle or whenever it has a jam. You can turn the dial to kind of unravel whatever situation is going down under there. This is the on and off button. All you do is press it on, press it off, simple as that. And here is the on and off switch that the video talked about. Right here it has a little guide. Now they said that the fabric is supposed to help you find that like even spacing in between so you get the most accurate stitching possible. And my favorite part is this cute little design on it. It's so cute. I just want to see if this thing works. As you guys know, I've done another series on this, the handheld sewing machine. I'm thinking about doing some more, testing out more different forms of sewing. Does this work for kids? Does it not? Whatever the case may be. This is something I would give my kids in the future. It's just so cute having their little hands come up sewing with mama. That would be so cute, wouldn't it? Okay, so I have a screwdriver and some AA batteries that it requires. The thing is at the bottom.
Stupid.
If you are underage, get a parent to do this for you. I mean, I don't need any of you guys breaking fingers or doing anything dangerous here. So let's try. Oh, it even has a guide as to how to open it. You know, like some people don't understand the lefty loosey, righty tighty saying. It shows you which way to go, clockwise or counterclockwise. So 1, 2. Oh, wait. 2, 3, and then which way? 4. All right, let's see how it do. And we're ready to test. The first thing that I want to do is see if it works. So okay. We'll see if this other thing works. So when was somebody gonna tell me the thing was on? Oh, that scared me. So it is so cute because it has a little light that is on the little guiding part, just like a sewing machine. But I am ready. So I know it's useless to just put this right under as a one layer. So we are going to maybe cut a piece of this out and see how it works. Got my trusty handy dandy sewing scissors, and I'm gonna just cut a snippet out. Maybe I'll make a little mini pillow, and then I want to match that up and cut a little piece out again. Maybe this is too small to make a pillow, but you know, we're gonna see. Says, okay, so I was unsure that this was actually going to fit, but yes, you could probably only fit 2 pieces of material. They ain't on top of each other, but definitely no more than that. So they said press the button. If it gets stuck, you press this thing and you twist. You want to make sure, you want to make sure this is at the highest point, which is right there, before starting. Now start. Y'all, I'm not sure if, like, I'm just stupid and don't know how to work this thing, or I'm just stupid and don't know how to work this thing. Okay, it feels pretty stiff. It doesn't look like thread or anything has been put through it. Doesn't really look like nothing's being sewn, but we'll see. Oh my goodness, y'all. The craziest part is that it does not look like thread until you get up really, really, really close. Like, y'all see that right there. I was really skeptical that this would not work. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's try all the other sides and then we'll make a little mini pillow and see what it do. So here's a mini bag of polyfill. I think this actually came with the machine. I'm gonna take a little handful. Way more than just a little, but. And they said if you need to put this back under the machine, go ahead and do so before stuffing and everything else. And voila, kids, you just made your first pillow. What can I say, y'all? I am shooketh. I don't know what's not to love. My thing is, I feel like I am now going to have to challenge myself and go above and beyond to try to make an outfit or something with only using this machine. Now, if y'all want me to do that video, let me know down in the comment section down below and I will get it together. Maybe I'll make doll clothes for y'all. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give me a big fat thumbs up, please. Also, don't forget to subscribe and engage by commenting and, like I said, liking my videos. This kind of gives me an indication of what more shall I do on this channel, which I want to say yes if you're subscribed. But and that is it, folks. I'll see you guys down the sewing to it trail. Bye, babes.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.